Hi there mga kapuso, welcome back. You're still watching GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Veteran actress ang makachika makaupo this morning mga kapuso. Bisan ano nga role, bida man o kontrabida, lodi tagin ni siya. Balatayan ang karakter sa upcoming Kapuso romance series sa Startup PH. Ari na, the ever-beautiful and talented Miss Jackilou Blanco. Hi, good morning! Welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition. May aga!
Maayong aga, Adrian, at sa lahat ng inyong mga viewers, maayong aga.
Oh, welcome back na, di ba? Miss Jackilou, it has been a very challenging 2 years of our lives because of this pandemic. How does it feel na unti-unti na tayong bumabalik sa dati? And ito, what has been your constant prayer ever since?
It feels better, syempre. Mas madali ng konti. I mean, of course, the virus is still there, pero I think this is a better kind of normal. I guess ang importante is that we know how to deal with it. Alam natin yung responsibilities natin, alam natin yung hindi dapat natin gawin. And siguro, let's just be grateful sa kung anong meron tayo and take it from there.
You always look good, no? And your aura is very positive. How do you stay motivated to have a positive outlook sa buhay?
How do I stay motivated? I think I am blessed that yun ang isa sa mga qualities na naman ako sa mom ko. She has always been very positive and she has always taught us na no matter kung ano man yung difficulty na pinagdadaanan mo, tomorrow is another day, things will get better. Lahat ng problema may solusyon. So that is something that stuck with me throughout my entire life. And because I have God in my heart, Jesus is my personal Savior, I know the truth na He will never leave me and never forsake me, and I never go through any trial alone.
Eto, Miss Jackilou, bilang isang veteran actress, I'm sure you've been juggling everything because of your busy schedule. What for you naman is the most effective way to prioritize and attend to all of your responsibilities?
Actually, na-mention mo na, no, yung prioritize. I think you just need to know your priorities and work around it. We have that ability nga to multitask. I think as long as alam mo kung ano yung importante for that day, ano ba yung uunahin mo. And I think if you've been doing it for quite some time, sanay ka na okay, ngayong araw na to, ganito yung gagawin ko.
This time nga, mapapanood ka na namin sa Philippine adaptation ng Startup PH. Ms. Jackilou, what are you most excited about sa project na ito?
Yes! Oh, I think I'm just most excited na mapapanood na ng ating mga kapuso ang Startup PH. If you have watched the original, di ba? Meron sila mga characters na gusto nila doon at finally mapapanood na nila in the Philippine setting. We have to put yung Filipino flavor, di ba? We have to Filipinize it. But of course, the story is the same. The characters are the same. Siyempre, may timplang Pinoy siya, di ba?
What is your character po dito? And were you able to watch the Korean series parang to prepare your character dito?
Yes. Yes, I watched it. My role is Sandra Yoon. She is the CEO and she is the director of Startup. Bale, dream niya yan along with her Korean husband na madala ito sa madala sa Pilipinas because gusto naman nila na ang mga kababayan naman ang matulungan at ma-encourage with their own startup businesses.
The series, mga kapuso, tackles more on achieving one's dreams sa buhay. Anong message niyo sa ating mga kapuso, especially the young ones, when it comes to pursuing their dreams?
Nako, siguro for me, for those pursuing and wanting their dreams na ma-achieve, siguro ang pinaka-importante is yung passion nyo sa kung ano man yung gagawin nyo. Learn everything that has to do with whatever it is that you want to do, di ba? Put your heart and soul into it. And just have hope na malalagpasan nyo yon at it will also be important na yung family mo o yung mga friends mo are also supporting you with that, diba? Kasi kumbaga collaborative effort yan.
Without a doubt, this is going to be another series that our Kapuso all over the Philippines will surely love. Please go ahead, invite our Kapuso viewers dito sa Western Visayas to rally behind Startup PH.
Malapit na po ang Startup PH. I hope na you will watch it from beginning to end at sana ma-enjoy nyo the hard work that we put into it. And I hope na marami kayong matutunan when you watch Startup PH. Malapit ang mga Kapuso. Huwag niyong papalagpasin.
Thank you so much for sitting with us this morning. God bless you and mabuhay po kayo. Miss Jackilou Blanco.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.